Alright, on this 98 Ford Ranger, 4-wheel drive, 3.0 with the V6 patch panel replacement, I got a little patch that I spot welded on. Now I'm just basically going to cut the metal on this lip here and spot weld the patch in. Alright, that's my that's the theory anyhow. And I've already started cutting on this corner, and the patch is actually just pushing in. And I'll do that along the series of lines and come back behind and spot weld as I go. So, anyway. And I have the get this 45-degree angle, so the metal will more or less butt up in there. See how it works out. See that the patch will just sink right in. I'm just dip along this line. See how far I can go. I don't want to get too far ahead. Not too bad. Come back down here. Tap to go in just like that. Turn this off. So, as you can see, I'm just going to weld in, and that patch will just fall right in. Alrighty. See you on the next video.